Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. If you're dealing with a leaky kitchen faucet, low water pressure, or difficulty turning your handle, it might be time to replace your faucet valve. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to replace a Glacier Bay kitchen faucet valve, step by step. Whether you're a DIY beginner or a seasoned home improvement warrior, I've got you covered. Tools and materials. Replacement Glacier Bay faucet valve cartridge, adjustable wrench or basin wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, Allen wrench, usually 5mm or 3mm for handle set screw, plumber's grease, towel or rag, bucket or bowl, to catch any water, flashlight, optional for visibility. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First things first, we need to turn off the water supply. Look under your sink and locate the hot and cold water shut-off valves. Turn them clockwise until they're fully closed. Step 2. Relieve water pressure. Next, turn on the faucet to relieve any remaining water pressure and to make sure the water is off completely. Step 3. Remove the faucet handle. Now let's remove the faucet handle. Most Glacier Bay faucets have a small set screw behind or underneath the handle. Use an Allen wrench to loosen it. Step 4. Remove the retaining nut and cartridge. Once the handle is off, you'll see a retaining nut holding the valve cartridge in place. Use your adjustable wrench to unscrew this nut. After removing the nut, gently pull out the old cartridge. You might need to twist it a bit or use pliers if it's stuck. Step 5. Install the new valve. Now take your replacement Glacier Bay valve cartridge and apply a little plumber's grease to the O-rings. This helps with installation and prevents leaks. Once it's in place, hand tighten the retaining nut and then snug it up with your wrench, but don't over-tighten. Step 6. Reassemble the handle. Now reinstall the faucet handle. Slide it back onto the stem, tighten the set screw, and you're almost done. Step 7. Turn water back on and test. Let's turn the water supply back on. Slowly open the shut-off valves and check for leaks. Test both hot and cold sides. Everything should be smooth. No leaks, no stiffness. Bonus tips: if your faucet is still leaking, check that the cartridge is seated correctly. Always bring the old cartridge to the store to match it, or check your model number online. If the faucet is older, consider replacing both hot and cold valves while you're at it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you ran into any tricky steps or have questions. I love hearing from you guys and helping where I can. Subscribe for more DIY plumbing videos, faucet fixes, and home maintenance tips. Until next time, happy fixing!